channel in this year 2025, but you're not sure where to begin, or maybe you have tried before and nothing is still working out for you, or nothing have worked out for you in the past. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step beginner friendly plan to start a YouTube channel, a successful one at that, even if you have zero experience or you don't even have good equipment to start with, but you're ready to make money. Stick with me, because by the end of this video you are going to have your entire day one plan ready for you to use, plus a bonus tip most creators miss or they don't talk about. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, and how to make money online. So before you start to create your YouTube channel, you have to sit down, ask yourself different questions: how to grow your YouTube channel, what to do, what to talk about, how to go about it for your YouTube channel to be a success. So the first thing you need is a clear and profitable niche. Yes, why? Because YouTube success doesn't come from making random videos anymore. Unlike before, when someone will be doing cooking channel, the next day will post about lifestyle, the next day the person will post about vlog, the next day you post about another thing. It doesn't work like that again. Rather, success comes from solving a specific problem for a specific group of people. So examples of some niches that you can venture into: number one, fitness; number two, tech review; then faceless YouTube channel; then YouTube monetization or YouTube growth, just like this channel you're watching now. So you can comment below the niche idea you have, and I will make sure that I will attend to as many questions as possible. So now that you have picked your niche, the next thing you need to do is to create a proper YouTube channel. Yeah, and this step is super important for SEO and branding. So the step you need to do, number one thing you need to do is to create a Google account, that is Gmail, at gmail.com. You need to have a Google account. So after you have gotten your Google account, another thing you need to do is to pick a channel name, the name you want your channel to be addressed with. So after that, you need to upload a professional profile picture. Not anyhow picture. Use a professional profile picture on your YouTube channel. Then after that, you write an SEO optimized, that is SEO bio. You can ask your ChatGPT to help you construct it. Make sure what you are writing there is related to your channel, and those things can help to boost your channel or make a channel searchable when someone is searching for something. Because of how you optimize it, it will help. Then another thing you need to do is to create a channel banner. Yeah, so all these things, they are the key things you need to do. Get ready before you start creating your YouTube channel. So assuming that you have finished creating your channel, now the next thing to follow up now is to post your videos. So you have to sit down and think about what your channel is all about. Is it about this? Is it about that? Then you sit down and make plans of the videos you want to post, and make videos on them and start posting. But don't overthink it. Your first video must not be perfect. The most important thing is for you to provide value. That is the only thing you need to do. So if let's say your channel is about YouTube growth or YouTube monetization, I can recommend like 3 content ideas you can go with. So the first one is, you can talk about why you started your YouTube channel in 2025. Another thing you can talk about is your top 5 tools you use to create your YouTube videos. So another thing you can talk about is how to choose a YouTube niche that maybe you will not regret. All these things, make sure you keep them between 6 to 10 minutes. Make sure you are relatable to what or your audience need. Then after you have finished creating your videos, you can use free editing apps like CapCut and VN. Then focus on strong titles and thumbnails. If that is thumbnail, you need to make research on thumbnail, not just to put anything out there, because thumbnail is the first thing that if someone sees on your channel, that person will be forced to click on your video and start watching. So if you create anyhow thumbnail, that means you will not get any click. Good thumbnails is what attracts clicks on your channel. So you have your video ideas now, you want to start filming, but you are thinking about, maybe I don't have good phone, I don't have this, I don't have that. It's not a problem. You must not start big. You have to start from somewhere, because hence you have, let's say, camera that is up to 1080 pixel. It's enough for you to create a YouTube channel. You must not use iPhone 15, iPhone 100, or the highest camera on earth. In my other channel, I talked about how I started my YouTube channel. In fact, that was during lockdown, and the shops are closed. I remember my phone was giving me headache. I used to I use rubber band to tie it, and I used to use it like that. So another thing you might think about, you don't have good lighting, you can go close to your window. The reflection of light from the window is even the best. It's even better than all this tripod ring light and others. That was how I even started. So you don't need to break bank before you start up. Don't procrastinate, just start today. Another thing is tripod stand. If you can get cheaper one, it's okay. Me, how I even started, I remember I used to stack up books, then keep my camera like that and start filming. That was how I started. Then another thing you need is sound, like microphone, but that one is not even, is optional, it's not compulsory. Until when you are buoyant enough to buy all these things, you can be managing the ones you have or the way you want it. Because if you're waiting for when you will buy all these things before you start, you might end up not starting. It's as this as that. You might end up not starting. Procrastination is not good. So just start now. Use anything that is within your reach. Camera, it must not be the highest one. Tripod stand, you can use stack of books or whatever. Just find somewhere to hang your phone. Lighting, you must not buy ring light, or if you can afford it, fine. But if you cannot, it's not compulsory. You can go close to your window, especially during the daytime. Just open up the window, shift your table there, and start filming. Then microphone, it's not compulsory. You don't need that, as in it's not a do or die something. You can go without it. Then when money comes, you start buying up. So that is how I even started my own. So you can do it too. Now you are finished, or you have succeeded in making your first video, and it's time for you to post that video. And this is where every strategy comes in. This is where you're going to be careful, because whatever you dish out or whatever you put out there, or however you put it out, is the result you're going to get. You understand? So the first thing you will think of is the title of that video. Title of the video you are going to post. Normally, before, I used to, when I started my own channel, I was like, this is what the video I did, I would just give it a title on my head. But ChatGPT, in fact, AI have made everything easy for us. You can use your ChatGPT before you choose your title, your description, even your thumbnail. You can ask your ChatGPT what I do. I'll ask my ChatGPT to give me like 5 SEO, that is search engine optimized title or description or thumbnail idea. Then that is clickable, that will make people to watch that video. Then when I ask you, ChatGPT will give me 5. Then I will now ask ChatGPT, out of these 5, which one, or which, according to order, as in you should just give me the ones that is capable of going viral, or people that will attract people to my channel, whatever. ChatGPT will give me. I will not ask ChatGPT again. Okay, if you were me, which one are you going to choose? I used to disturb, but in fact, if ChatGPT is a human being, in fact, if I don't tire for myself, so ChatGPT will now tell me, okay, if I'm you, 100% I will go for this. Then that is the one I'm going to choose. Both my title, my thumbnail, and my description. I always ask ChatGPT, even a hashtag. All these things, be very strategic on them, because once you lose guard, you're not going to see anything on your channel. You need to ask. So you have to do when uploading is to include end screen and card. End screen and card. That end screen, you can add videos, you can add playlist, because playlist, that one is very underrated. People underrate playlist. Whenever you post your video, make sure you add your playlist at the end of that video. You understand? If you don't know what card or what end screen or card means, or how to do it, just comment below, and I'm going to make a video. Just tell me, and I'm going to make a video on how to put it in your videos. So all these things, you need to optimize everything before you post. And when posting, leave your videos on private and post it. Put everything, optimize it very well before you put it in public. Because once you put it out there in public, if there is any problem or there is any copyright infringement you have, that means you are not going to retrieve it back again. But if you put it on private, if there is any issue, you are going to dictate it. You can choose to delete the video, then re-edit it, remove those ones that this thing is telling you that is not good, then re-upload again. So whenever you want to upload, don't put it in public directly. Put it in private first. Then after editing and optimization and every other thing, you can now put it in public. So guys, here is the truth no one tells you about. Your first video don't have to be perfect. That's okay. The goal is to keep posting, learn from feedback, and stay consistent, stay focused. Your growth may happen after your 10th, your 20th, or even your 50th video, but it will definitely happen. Grace differs. Some people's own, their first video they will blow, some people third. So you just wait for your own time and keep it consistent. Be consistent and keep optimizing. Don't just put your video out there and expect miracle to happen. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint, but it can change your life once, as in you understand now. It can change your life once once it goes viral. It will change your life. Making YouTube videos, it is worth it. So if this video helped you, or you learned one or two things from my video, help me to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If today is the first day you're coming across this channel, for more YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, and how to make money online, and drop a comment in the comment section telling me your YouTube ideas for this 2025, and I will personally reply. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.